What's up you guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some beginner ab exercises, so grab your yoga mat. But before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that like button so more people can see this video. Let's get into this. So for our first exercise, we're going to be doing standing bird dogs. And what that looks like is we're going to be on one foot, arms out, and you are going to come forward. This is all about the core, so strengthen your abs, tighten your core. We're going to do 3 sets of 15 on each side. So we're going to do 3 sets here, and then we're going to turn over and do 3 sets here. It's a very easy exercise, but focus on keeping your core tight and flexing your abs. Let's get started. Good job, give yourself a 5-second rest. If you're really feeling this in your hamstring and it's really uncomfortable and it feels like this is a leg workout, make sure that you stretch before you do this. Since you're bringing your body forward like this, your hamstring is going to pull, and not in a negative way, like you're gonna strain it, but if you don't stretch before this workout, it can feel very uncomfortable and it's gonna take away from focusing on your abs, so make sure you stretch. I'll link a warm-up video up above in the cards and down below in the description just in case you haven't warmed up. Get yourself warmed up and then do this exercise. Good job, give yourself a 5-second rest. All right guys, last set on this side. Good job, give yourself a 10-second break. All right, set 2. Good job, give yourself a 5-second break. Good job, give yourself a 10-second break. Next, we're gonna be doing squat oblique crunches. So what you wanna do is squat, crunch, squat, crunch. Okay guys, take it slow, work on the form, keep your core tight, keep your abs flexed. Let's do 3 sets of 20. Good job, give yourself a 5-second break. All right, moving into set 2. All right guys, last set of this. Give yourself a 10-second break. Next, we're gonna be doing some lunge twists. So let me show you guys the form. We're going to be lunging back and twisting. Try to keep your core engaged, your abs tight, flex, okay, you guys? Take this slow. You're gonna feel a strain. You're gonna feel the pull. It is an obliques exercise. Let's get started. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second break. All right, let's get it. Set 2. Jump, switch sides. Good job, you guys. Give yourself a 10-second break. This exercise might look easy, but it is not that easy. If you're doing it, you know how I feel. All right, guys, last set. All right, go ahead and switch sides. Good job, you guys. Give yourself a 10-second rest. Moving into our last exercise and one of my personal favorites, the Oblique Crunch. So what you want to do is you want to make your body parallel and bring the leg into your arms, okay? Just like this. Try to kick up as high as you can. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 10 on each side. Let's get it. Five-second rest. All right, last set on this side, you guys. Good job. Moving over to the other side, we're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Good job. 5-second rest. Good job. Last 5-second rest. All right guys, last set, let's get it. Good job everyone. Those are 4 beginner ab exercises that are guaranteed to make you sweat. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also don't forget to click that like button and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.